I had such a great time last week making these vegan chocolate chip cookie, I thought I would kick it up a notch and make some vegan chocolate lava cake, and it's also gluten-free. It's really decadent and it's perfect for your sweetheart. Should we get started? For this recipe to be gluten-free and vegan, there are two key ingredients that I have here. First, of course, I have my vegan chocolate. Second of all, a friend of mine from Edgar gave me these organic oats. So I'm gonna use this instead of flour to make it gluten-free. So the first process is to blend this into a flour form. So I will put this into my blender. As you can see, they're kind of crummy now, and I'm going to add the remaining of the ingredients. So we're gonna blend the cocoa powder, almond powder. These are ground almonds. I actually use ground almonds that I bought from Taiwan to make those almond drink. They call it hangyanwu in Cantonese. Then I put in the brown sugar. So I blend this all together. Now you can see it actually becomes like a flour format with all the ingredients combined. Now I will add my baking powder, baking soda, and salt into the dry ingredients. In the same blender, I'm going to put my bananas. The great thing about this recipe, it doesn't really have eggs, so you don't have to worry about if you underbake your cake, is it gonna make you sick? In goes apple cider, vanilla, and I use coconut milk today. You can also substitute with oat milk, soy milk, whatever your heart desire. And really, that's about it for your batter. Super simple, easy. Now I'm going to prepare the center of attention, the lava inside the cake. Learning from mistake, I understand that raw chocolate just does not melt very well inside the chocolate cake. In order to create that lava feel, I need to do some little tricks. So this is what I do. So first, I would actually melt the vegan chocolate with some coconut oil. Very simple. You just put it inside a measuring cup or whatever you can find in a bowl. My favorite, the salted caramel. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil into the chocolate. So this has been about a minute. As you can see, it doesn't really melt very well. Don't worry. I have these little molds here, but by all means, you can use ice cube mold. And what I'm going to do is pour it inside and then put it in the freezer until it's completely solid hard. While the chocolate is being set, I'm going to prepare my ramekins. You want to make sure that your lava cake comes out clean and without clinging onto the bowl, so you must do this step. If you don't have a spray, you can use butter and rub it all around the bowl, but I'm going to spray this. Next step is to fill the batter into the ramekins. So my truffles are ready to go. What I'm going to do is pop them into my batter, smooth out the surface on top so the truffle is completely submerged. At this stage, you can actually put this in the refrigerator, and when it's time for dessert, it just takes about 15 minutes to bake this. So then you can bake it, and when they cut right into the center, it's nice and fresh. Trust me, this dessert is going to be a huge hit. So this just came out from the oven, and now I am going to slowly loosen it up. To give it a little bit more curb appeal, I'm going to dress it up. Oh my God, my cake is already oozing out. So excited. And I have these frozen berries. I love to buy berries when they're on sale and just stick them in the freezer. So I have these laying around, and actually they're super yummy when they're frozen. And oh my god, I think this is not camera shy at all. Look at this. It's amazing. I don't even have to cut it. Trust me, I've had this happen so many times that it doesn't flow, whatever. But I think I'm so happy today. So what do you think? I think this is definitely sweetheart worthy. On that note, would you like some?